Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase cryptocurrency peer-to-peer without using a third-party exchange. Let's get started. First, I want to show you what a third-party exchange is. Coinbase is one of the most popular third-party exchanges, and Coinbase would like you to purchase all your cryptocurrency from them. What you need to do is create an account with them, and then you deposit some money, and then you can buy various cryptocurrencies, and they keep them for you and they hold it in an account. This is kind of what cryptocurrency was designed to avoid. It's great and all, but you never hold the cryptocurrency in your hand. You never have it in your computer. Coinbase holds the cryptocurrency on your behalf, and therefore, it's not completely secure. It's not peer-to-peer, as they say. So the way to make a peer-to-peer purchase of cryptocurrency, and I'm going to use Bitcoin as an example, is to go to the source of that particular coin. In this case, it's bitcoin.org. Before you can purchase any Bitcoin, you have to have a Bitcoin wallet. And to do that, you have to choose a wallet. Bitcoin.org recommends that you educate yourself very carefully on what kind of wallet is right for you. But because this video is about purchasing Bitcoin, I'm going to use Bitcoin Core as our example wallet. So the way to download Bitcoin Core is you choose your operating system with these little icons here. And once you click on that, it'll give you the install page, and you click install, and then you click download Bitcoin Core. I'm not going to do it right now because I've already downloaded it for you to use as an example for this video. But when you click on this, could take anywhere from 1 day to up to a week to download the entire blockchain into your computer, and that's what you're doing. And I don't recommend downloading it to your computer. It's best to save it to a thumb drive or something like that. Anyway, once you've downloaded Bitcoin Core, the wallet, it's going to look something like this. This is a Bitcoin Core wallet, and as you can see, there's no Bitcoins in it yet. I just downloaded it as an example for this video. However, once you have downloaded the wallet, you then have the ability to send and receive Bitcoins peer-to-peer without any third-party involvement. Now, let's go a little further here, and I will show you how to initiate that. The way we do it is, let's go back to bitcoin.org, and then where it says buy Bitcoin here, you've already downloaded your wallet, and now you can use a Bitcoin exchange like I explained before, which I don't recommend. You can purchase peer-to-peer. This is what this video is about. You can also purchase from a Bitcoin ATM if you can find one, but there aren't many in the United States. So to make a purchase peer-to-peer, you must first go find the peer-to-peer directory, and you'll find it here. And you don't have to make purchases in the country in which you reside, but it might be recommended. However, in this case, I'm just going to, let's look at local Bitcoins peer-to-peer. And it takes you to LocalBitcoinscom, and this here has a list of approved Bitcoin vendors. And look, you can see Walmart is one of them, and they're right now selling Bitcoin at $6,653.64. Now, because I have a Bitcoin wallet, I could buy that right now and put it into my Bitcoin wallet, and it would be a peer-to-peer transaction between Walmart and me, and no one else would be involved. I also have some other people here who are selling that I can choose from. One thing you want to keep in mind is limits. For instance, this seller over here, he will not sell anything under 500 Bitcoins. Now that is a lot of, I'm sorry, 500 to 570 US dollar is the smallest transaction he will conduct with you. Whereas if you were purchasing from Walmart here, and I'm not definitely not recommending Walmart, however, you can see they have a much more relaxed limit. You can buy anywhere from $1 up to $305 worth of Bitcoin from them. And that is, my friends, how you purchase cryptocurrency without any third-party interactions. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found it useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe below.